Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sparkle Intel Arc B580 Titan Luna Battlemage GPU in all white design. So friends, the Sparkle Arc B580 okay, Titan Luna with white PCB graphics card. So friend, the graphics card is featuring a all white PCB but one element remaining untouched. The IO bracket, which is the honest, could easily have the painted to match. And the graphics card is equipped with BGM G21 GPU featuring 20 XE2 core and 12 GB GDDR6 memory. And the same clock speed of the blue version 2740 MHz but with slightly higher total board power. And the Titan Luna has not appeared to retail listing, nor has Sparkle officially added to its product catalog. So friend, this graphics card is company's most expensive lineup of Battlemage GPU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.